Hello, welcome to GCSE Physics. We're still on thermal properties and temperature. Today we're going to talk about thermal capacity or heat capacity. This is coming right after our lessons on thermal expansion. In thermal expansion, we saw that materials increase in volume when heat is applied to them. Without wasting much time, let's go on to what we have for today. The first subtopic we are talking about is temperature and heat. Most of the time, we interchange these words. We use them inappropriately. So in order to avoid that confusion, let's solve this problem once and for all. Temperature and heat are not the same thing. Temperature is a measure of how hot something is, and it is measured in degrees Celsius. It is a measure of how hot something is, and it is measured in degree Celsius. Heat, on the other hand, is a measure of thermal energy contained in an object. Now, thermal energy is a type of heat. Now, the measure of the amount of thermal energy contained in an object is what we call heat. It is measured in joules. So temperature is just telling us how hot the substance is, but heat is referring to the amount of thermal energy the object contains. Now, when you heat a substance, they gain thermal energy. Okay, when heat is applied to a substance, when I have this box here, and then I apply heat to it, the object will gain thermal energy. Now, the amount of thermal energy in there will cause a rise in temperature. Okay, as the thermal energy the object gains increases, the temperature also increases because the average value of kinetic energy of the atoms or molecules has increased. When heat is applied to a substance, the particles in there start to vibrate. As they vibrate, as more heat is being applied, the vibrations become faster. So as the vibrations become faster, clearly they now have more kinetic energy. Now, once they have more kinetic energy, there will be a rise in temperature. So when a substance is heated, it gains thermal energy, and then the thermal energy will cause the atoms or the particles to vibrate faster, causing a rise in temperature.